Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88. And I'm here to share in this video my coaching blueprint, which is designed to help women start their own tax preparation service. So if you're looking to start your own tax preparation service and you've tried and you failed, no fault of your own, just connecting with the wrong people who weren't able to deliver on their promise to help you get started, then call me. Let's talk, let's chat, let's see if I can educate you and show you what it's going to take for you to be successful in this industry, show you if this is the right fit for you to even get started with, by giving you some real world information that you can read and study to see if this is a good fit for you as a business model in the first place. Because tax preparation and taxation is a career industry by itself. And so if you're going to make a business out of that, you definitely want to make sure it's a good fit for you, which won't take long for you to decide, especially being new and inexperienced with no prior training under your belt. And so if you just reach out to me with a comment with your email, I can send you over some real world publications and forums so you can look at, read through some of the publications and some of the forums to see if there's some information that you can understand and then comprehend and may be able to learn to see if this is a good fit for you. Because see, what I tell people is once I introduce you to this information and you realize you can't understand what I sent you over, then you have to conclude that it's not a good fit for you as a business model, and you might want to decide what you want to do next. Because see, tax preparation is not for everyone. Everyone can't do what I do, because to be able to wrap your mind around the information is key to being able to learn how to prepare individual income taxes for clients. And then the software training that you need to go with that, they go hand in hand. So those are the two most challenging things that we deal with as a business owner in the tax preparation industry, is learning how to prepare individual income taxes and the software needed to do the work. Everything else speaks for itself. Me talking about business structure and organization and business accounts and payment processes and equipment and tools and resources, those things those speaks for themselves. You understand those things as we talk about. You know what I'm saying? So the thing that's the most challenging part of having your own tax preparation service will be learning how to prepare individual income taxes professionally and accurately, and mastering the software that you're going to use to do the work with year in and year out. So when it comes to having a business in this industry, uh, our business is based on knowledge. People come to us because they assume we have the knowledge needed to do the work. So you want to make sure that your knowledge is top flight. You want to make sure you're confident in your knowledge. You want to make sure the software that you're using, you're confident with using it because you've trained on it over and over again with different types of practice scenarios that's going to prepare you for real world clients in the end. And so with my coaching program, the blueprint to success is simple. It's a simple way to get started. Uh, there's a whole lot of information to this, but we don't focus on all information. We give you this information piecemeal by piecemeal by piecemeal, step by step by step, and let that grow and grow and grow until you're ready to take it to a whole other level. So if you want to get started, and maybe you're not sure of your ability to be successful in this industry, and you might want to partner with me, then I have a partnership program as well, but it's totally different being a partner of mine versus you having your own tax preparation credentials set up. But you can reach out to me, like I said, call the number, take advantage of the email, send me a message, and we eventually talk. Let me educate you on what you didn't know. Let me smash the myths that you assume that existed in this industry. And from there, if you think I'm a good fit for you, if you think I got your best interests at heart and help you make it happen, then let's take action and let's get together and let's get this training started, because we still have time to get you ready to make some money for the upcoming tax season, but we got to start right now. We got to make this happen in August, going until the fourth quarter. See, this third quarter now, but we're going into the fourth quarter, and we want to be able to take those last 90 days, hit it hard with learning the knowledge and skills needed to do the work, and master the software we're going to use to do the work with. Those are the two main objectives, along with some information that's going to go along with all that, that's going to have you ready for the upcoming tax season, which is important. So if you're not sure if this is a good fit for you, if you're not confident in your ability, maybe you've been having issues trying to connect with the right person that's going to help you make this a reality for yourself. Then it don't cost you nothing but some time to call me up. Let's talk and let's chat and let me educate you and show you. And if you don't have the time to call me and talk and let's chat, put your email address into your comment section of my channel and let me send you over some information that's designed to educate you and show you what it's going to take for you to get started with learning how to pay individual income taxes for yourself, so you can decide if this is the right fit for you or not. And so my coaching blueprint covers the secure account, e-file provider's application, and business setup. Those are the things needed to have you recognized as a tax service. So one of the things IRS has done is shut down their website where we don't have access to certain functions and features anymore without having a secure account. So in order to create a secure account, you must have something off the financial list, either a credit card, auto loan, student loan, mortgage, or line of credit. So if you have one of those pieces of financial information, then that positions you to go and create a secure account. If you can successfully do that, then that gives you access to the e-file provider's application, which allows you to fill that out, get your fingerprint cards from the IRS, fill out both fingerprint cards, submit it, do a background check to see if you're suitable, and from there we get approved to get your EFIN, which stands for Electronic Filing Identification Number, which is a 6-digit number that allows you to buy professional software and work with third-party banks that's going to collect your tax preparation fees on your behalf. So that's an important process. So for people who might not be able to get that done in time for the upcoming tax season, if we're a good fit for work with one another, if we vibing real well, and I know I can trust you enough where I feel you're going to do right by this industry by partnering with me, I will let you work under my credentials with my team to help you make some money for the upcoming tax season and help you build a foundation for success when it's all said and done. And so those are the options, those are the perks that I give to clients and potential clients who are looking to start their own tax preparation service who might not be able to have all their credentials set up in time, especially reaching out to me this late in the season. But it's still possible to help you make money. It's still possible to help you get educated on what it's going to take for you to be successful in this industry, and the information needed to make that happen, I provide to you the same day you reach out to me. Like I said, we either can talk phone to phone, Zoom to Zoom, email to email, text to text, but we need to connect on some level so you can understand that I know what I know what I know, and I'm the best fit for you to help you get started in this industry when it comes to having your own tax preparation service. So in this coaching program, we cover so many different aspects. You know what I'm saying? We cover the equipment you need, the tools and resources that's going to be important for you to have. Right now, we're talking about virtual, where we working with clients where we're not face to face. That's simply virtual, where we're not working with clients face to face. So we're working with them virtually, and that means you can have 300 or 400 clients in your own state that you've never seen before, but you work with them virtually because y'all don't want to meet person face to face for whatever reason. You know what I'm saying? So due to the COVID-19 situation going on, a lot of people working virtually based on where you live at and your demographics. A lot of people are forced to work virtually because they don't live in a big enough place and they don't have enough people in front of them to even go out and even solicit them services to people. So if you live in a small place where if you had to go out to your local market to even pitch people on your services and to even get started with, you wouldn't do well, then virtual is going to be the next best thing because it's going to allow you to reach more people than you ever could uh, going locally in the first place. So, like me, I lived in Chicago, a big old city, and so virtual was something that was never new to us. We was working with clients virtually for years because we had clients from all over the different states. We had a large clientele, and so virtual was simply just working with people uh, who we didn't see face to face. And so now with technology, we're able to send and receive vital and sensitive information to each other securely to protect the end user information from being stolen or hacked. And so that's important. So when it comes to my mentorship and coaching program, there's 18-month membership access. You pay for 1 year, but you get 18 months to work with me, which means you get 6 months bonus time to build a foundation for a profitable, sustainable tax preparation service. And when it's all said and done, after 18 months, you get to decide if you want to continue to work with me or go solo. Because my membership program is an annual investment. It's not a one-time, lifetime investment, but it's an annual investment for people who want to keep working with me year after year after year. So when it's all said and done, call me up. Let's talk. Let's chat. If not, at least put your email inside the comment section. Leave a comment. Let me send you some information, especially for people who knew no prior training experience. Well, I'm gonna send you over some publications and some forums for you to check out on the information that's gonna be covered inside learning how to prepare individual income taxes. So when it's all said and done, if you want to start your own tax preparation service and you're out here doing your due diligence, you're out here doing your research on who you might want to work with to make that happen, I'm looking to help you take that desire to have your own tax preparation service, get started, and help you to be profitable and sustainable in the next 18 months through my coaching program. And so when it's all said and done, I like to help you get that thing started and plenty much success to you, regardless of who you connect with, on helping you get your tax preparation business up and running and off the ground. And I'll see you in my next video.